You can get $127 in free bonuses on Toobit just by signing up and completing a few simple steps. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to claim every single one of them step by step. No trading experience needed, no complicated setup. Just follow along and the bonuses are yours. But here's the important part. You need to use the link down below in the description. Without my link, you will not get access to the full bonus package. I have negotiated this specifically for my community, so make sure you use it. Now, before we get into the bonuses, let me quickly tell you why Toobit is actually worth your time, especially if you are just getting started in crypto. First, the platform is beginner friendly. Whether you want to do spot trading, futures trading, or even copy trading where you just copy the trades of professional traders, everything is laid out clearly and it is easy to navigate. Second, Toobit has one of the most generous bonus structures I've seen for new users. Most exchanges give you nothing when you sign up. Toobit actually rewards you just for joining and completing basic tasks. Third, you do not need KYC to get started. You can sign up, deposit, and start trading without sending in your personal documents, which is a massive advantage compared to a lot of other exchanges out there. And fourth, the fees are very competitive. Especially when you use my link, you will get a fee discount on top of everything else. So whether you're here just to grab the free bonuses or you are serious about getting into crypto trading, Toobit gives you a solid platform to do it on. Now let us get into exactly how you claim that $127. Step 1 is simple. Click the link down below in the description. This is the most important step. If you use a different link or go directly to the website, you will not get the full bonus package. My link is tied to an exclusive deal for this community, so make sure you use it. Once you click the link, you will land on the Toobit signup page. Just enter your email, create a password, and you are in. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Rewards Hub. You will find this in the top navigation bar. Just look for it up here at the top of the page and click on it. This is where all of your bonuses live. Every reward you are eligible for will show up right here, and you can track your progress on each one. Keep this page open because we are going to be coming back to it. Now let me walk you through every single bonus and exactly what you need to do to claim it. Bonus 1, 30 USDT voucher as a sign-up reward. This one is the easiest. Just sign up and log in. That is it. Once you have created your account and logged in for the first time, head to the Rewards Hub and you will see this reward ready to claim. $30 just for showing up. Easy money. Bonus 2, 20 USDT voucher for your first deposit. For this one, you need to make your first deposit of at least 20 USDT and maintain that balance for 1 day. So deposit at least $20, leave it in your account for 24 hours, and this reward unlocks. To make a deposit, go to the top of the page and click on Deposit, select USDT, choose your network. I recommend TRC20 because it is fast and the fees are low. Copy your deposit address and send the funds from your external wallet or exchange. Once it arrives, you are good. Come back to the Rewards Hub and claim your $20. Bonus 3, 50 USDT voucher for your first trade. This is the biggest one. To unlock this, you need to complete your first spot or futures trade of at least 300 USDT in volume. Now, 300 USDT in volume does not mean you need $300 in your account. If you use leverage, for example 10 times, a $30 position gives you $300 in trading volume. So this is very achievable even with a small deposit. To place a trade, go to the top navigation bar, click on Futures, then select USDT and Perpetual. Choose your trading pair. Now, for example, Bitcoin USDT. On the right side, you will see the order panel. Set your leverage, choose market order, enter your position size, and click open long or open short depending on which direction you think the market's going. Once that trade is placed and the volume hits 300 USDT, this bonus unlocks. Head back to the Rewards Hub and claim your $50. Bonus 4, 5 USDT voucher for your first copy trade. If you do not want to trade manually, Toobit has a copy trading feature where you can literally copy the trades of professional traders automatically. To access it, find the copy trading section in the navigation. Browse through the available traders, pick one you like based on their performance stats, and start copy trading with at least 20 USDT. Once your first copy trade is completed, this $5 bonus unlocks in the Rewards Hub. Bonus 5, 2 USDT voucher for your first event contracts trade. This one is quick. Toobit has an event contracts section where you can place simple up or down predictions on market events. Find the event contracts section, place your first trade of at least 2 USDT, and this bonus is yours. Head to the rewards hub and claim it. On top of everything I just showed you, if you sign up with my link, you also get access to an additional reward package worth up to $8,810, plus VIP 1 status for 1 month just for registering. And if your futures trading volume goes over 50,000 USDT, you can claim another $30 in trial funds on top of that. All of this is available in the rewards hub. Just make sure you signed up with my link down below. Without it, these exclusive deals are not available to you. A few quick tips before you go. Tip 1. Complete the tasks in order. Start with the sign up reward, then make your deposit, then place your first trade. Each one builds on the last. Tip 2. Check the rewards hub daily. Some bonuses are time sensitive and rotate, so you do not want to miss anything. Tip 3. Use leverage smartly on your first trade to hit that 300 USDT volume requirement without needing a large deposit. Start with 5 times or 10 times and keep your position size small. Tip 4. Try the copy trading feature even if you are an experienced trader. The $5 trial fund is free money and it is a great way to explore the platform. And that is it. You now know exactly how to claim your $127 in free bonuses on Toobit. Step by step. Click the link down below in the description, sign up, and head straight to the rewards hub to start claiming. Remember, without my link, you will not get the full package. If you want the full walkthrough on how to trade crypto on Toobit, check the video popping on screen right now. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials, exchange guides, and bonus walkthroughs just like this one. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one, and I will see you in the next video.